Good morning, students. Here, let's start our some problems are there. I forgot some problems, so we'll discuss in the electrochemistry. Look at the problem number 3.5. Calculate the EMF of the EMF, the electromotive force of a cell in which the following reactions that takes place. Some cell is given here. In the cell, they are given nickel rod and they are given silver nitrate. I think so, silver nitrate solution. And after something, some reaction happen, nickel nitrate is coming, silver solid is coming. Remember, students, most of students they have some doubt in the Nernst equation. What does mean Nernst equation means? Suppose just imagine here I'm taking nickel rod, okay, and here nickel rod, nickel sulfate solution, silver rod, nitrate, silver rod will be there. After reaction proceeds, what happens that here silver will be deposited, nickel will be dissolved. Look at here, if they have doubt in the standard electrode potential value means, remember here, if they are taking the silver concentration 0.1 molar concentration and nickel's concentration if 0.1 molar concentration, how much volts charge is produced these cells, nothing but this much value. Got it clear? Look, suppose I'm just taking here one example, will get clarity here. Just imagine, okay, I'm taking one cell is there. In that cell here, just imagine students here, look at here, this is the two cells are there. In the one cell is there, this is nothing but I'm taking the nickel rod. This is nickel rod. Can just imagine here nickel nitrate solution is there. Some other cell is containing of silver rod. It contains silver nitrate solution. What happens then if you have taken the concentration is 1 molar concentration. Here also 1 molar concentration. How much volt produces this much volt? I want to know the if you increase the concentration of nickel, if you decrease the concentration of silver, how much amount of total potential generated? I don't know. So to find this one is we need one small equation. That equation nothing but Nernst equation. In this Nernst equation, the mention is cell potential. Here, what it means if the concentration of both are the 1 molar concentration, how much volt producing this much volt. After changing concentration, how much volt is producing this one you have to find here. So that E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N log of nickel ion concentration by silver ion concentration. Product by reactant only, no? This is a product. Product by reactant. This is the reactant. So what happened in the initial look at the area, standard electrode potential value already is given is 1.05 volts. 1.05 volts minus of 0.05. Look at here, nickel silver charge, how much is there? Plus how many silver atoms are there? 2 silver atoms. So 2 electrons are gained by the silver atom. 2 electrons lost with nickel. So total number of electrons exchange is 2. That's why N value is equal to 2 only. Log of nickel ion concentration, how much is there? 0.02 molar. That's mentioned 0.02. So silver ion concentration is 0.02 molar. How much is the 2 is there? No, that's the reason why above the concentration we are mentioning the square only. Clear? So nickel ion concentration, how much is there? 0.160. Okay, that mention is 0.160. Look at if you solve this one is then 0.160, 0.04. Square what you get the 0.04 you get. When you solve it is then you will get as the 1.05 minus 0.591 by 2. This value coming here. You know very well it's a log A plus log B. Clear is the log A plus log B. If solve this one is then what will get the 4 log 10 will get here, then we will multiply will get the answer only. So this is 1.05 minus 0.059 by 1. This value you will get this how much volt is coming? 0.91 volts is there. Look at here there. If you take 1 molar concentration, how much volts are coming? This much volt. If we decrease the concentration, how much volt is coming? This much. This is nothing but a Nernst equation only. Clear right now? This is called Nernst equation only. Let's go for next problem is there here. Okay, look at this. This is problem is there. Very easy problem only. Okay, yeah. In this problem, look at what is given here. Okay, one cell is given. Look at here. The cell in which the following reactions occur: 2 Fe plus 3, 2I minus, Fe plus 2, I2 minus. Okay, I2. That's solid one. Look at this equation is what happened in the area. Iron undergo reduction, iodine undergo oxidation. The standard electrode potential value here, total cell potential value given here 0.236 volts are given. What they are asking, calculate the standard Gibbs free energy. Gibbs free energy value you know no formula. Delta G R reaction is equal to minus N of E naught only. And what is N stand for? How many electrons exchange here? 6 is there, I minus is there. So total 2 electrons are gained by iron only. 2 electrons lost by the iodine only. So I am taking the 2. Faraday constant you know very well, 96,500 coulombs only. Standard electrode potential value already is given here 0.236 volts. multiply, you'll get the 45.55 kilojoules per mole. Next, go for the log C. What is the log C means? Look at if they are given any equilibrium constant, they are asking, no, based on this value you can find. The formula is equal to delta GR, Standard Gibbs energy value is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. Okay, no, I want log Kc. Log Kc is equal to this value divided by this value only, no. So minus delta Rg by 2.303 RT. Look at if you substitute this value, you know, delta G are not already mentioned, 45.55 kilojoules per mole, and also, you know, 2.303 R value, you know, R value is 8.314 10 to the power minus 3 they have taken, and temperature already they given, temperature is there, no, 298 kelvins, they substitute 98 kelvins. When you solve this one, you will get this much value is there. So look at the, if you want to, you get the log Kc value this much. Kc value means log, no, when you go for this side is anti-log will become, no, so Kc is equal to anti-log of, look at it, if you want to find the anti-log is, then just imagine, I will give you a small trick here. First write 10. How many units are there? 7 units you can mention. You will go for find the anti-logarithm 98. Okay, 98 decimal is there. You just check out. Okay, you will get this one value. Okay, this is another but regarding how to find this one equation is there. Next one is the liquid here. Next problem is there. Why does the conductivity of solution decrease with the dilation only? Why does liquid discussing about the conductivity of solution is there? No, here I'm just taking the conductivity is there, no, here specific conductivity. Okay, loud students, just remember here, most important thing is there, I want to calculate specific conductivity means I am calculating the conductance in this small area, Suppose just imagine here look at, I'm taking the 1 liter of water is there, here 10 atoms are there. Okay, no, 10 atoms are there. These 10 atoms will be carry electricity only. If I add the 2 liters of water, the volume becomes what in there, the volume is increases. The volume increases, the number of ions present in the solution become to the decrease only, no, 5. So what happens, these 5 ions are carrying electricity. So when you increase the concentration, specific conductivity means this area. What happens, the number of ions decreases, conductivity also decreases only. Next, go for next problem is then suggest that the way to determine the value of the water. Look at it, it's very cool rush size only. I can't find the molar conductivity of the water only. I cannot find. So I use some other method is there, no, the molar conductivity of water. The molar conductivity of water is equal to, how can I calculate it? I'm taking the water into 2 form is there. Water into the 2 form. One is there, no, here I'm taking this one is 2 parts and just taking H plus and OH minus. What happened there here, and the H plus is there, now I want to find H plus, so I'm just taking as a HCl. I want to find the OH minus ion concentration, that's why I'm taking as a NaOH, strong electrolyte only, no. When I use this 2 value, I'll get 1 value, and then what I will do here, I want only water conductivity, so minus NaCl. If you go for minus NaCl, what you will get here, what you will get, if you go for minus NaCl, chlorine will be cancelled, sodium will cancel, so NaOH, sorry, here NaOH. Okay, sodium will cancel. What will get, the H plus and OH minus, nothing but water molecule conductivity only. Clear? Same thing on the applied here. They will look at it by using up the Coriolis law. If you want conductor, molar conductor of solution water, calculate by using up the molar conductor of the HCl plus molar conductor of NaOH minus molar conductor of NaCl. By this one you can be calculate easily the molar conductivity of the following solutions only. Okay, students, let's go for next one is the mechanism of rusting only. You know very well, rusting is undesirable process. Okay, rusting is undesirable process because of rusting what happening there, most of the iron undergo. Okay, the strength of iron becomes wasted, strength of iron becomes decreases. Because of this reason only, you know what I mean, that the buildings and some bridges will be collapsed. So how can you prevent the rusting? Various methods are there to prevent the rusting: galvanization, painting, okay, some other playing some grease or oils are there, making some alloys, something else. Some steel is there, is a combination of the iron, carbon and chromium. Next, stainless steel is there, different types of mechanism there. So let's do, in this session we are going to discuss about the how rusting is happening. First initial step is there, the oxidation of iron will occur. What is my oxidation of iron? Just imagine this is iron rod is there. In this iron rod, what happens there? Here, iron atom act as anode. Whenever acting as anode undergo oxidation, so what happens there? Here, iron lost 2 electrons. They form a Fe2+, plus 2 electrons. What happens? These 2 electrons are coming. No, these 2 electrons are involved in the further oxidation is there. So that is the metal atom, the lattice passed into solution. Look at what happens. I'm just taking the because of here. It will be small. This region what rust is happening is there. No, we look at whenever rust is happens, moisture will come here. Moisture is coming means nothing but water molecule is there. No, so look at just imagine. Just take consider. I'm taking one equation is there. Suppose I'm just taking some O2 molecule, the oxygen molecule. O2 is there. So what happens here? O2 is there. Imagine I will give some equation is there. No, just imagine here. Look at what happens in the condition is there. No, look at students. I mentioned very clearly here. 2 iron atom is there. This iron atom acts as an under oxidation. It gives 2 electrons only. One single iron atom loses 2 electrons are there. 2 iron atom loses the 4 electrons are there. So what happens? These electrons are coming. These electrons are, when the electrons approaches here, the atmosphere oxygen is there. No, the atmosphere oxygen gains these electrons and react with the 2H plus ion. Where is H plus ion is coming means very well. Water molecule react with carbon dioxide. They form a carbonic acid. This acid only. Acid provides H plus ion is that H plus ions react with oxygen. They form a water molecule. So what happens there here in this equation? What happens there at the cathode of each cell is there? No cell. What happens there takes place the cell. The electrons are taking up and by hydrogen ion. The electrons are taken by the hydrogen ion. The H plus ion obtained either from the water from the acidic solution. Because I mentioned very clearly, So what happens there here? Either water also providing H plus ion or acid also providing H plus ion. What happens at cathode reaction is then look at the cathode. What happens there? H plus ion gains electron. They become hydrogen atom. The hydrogen atom of the iron surface area reduced to dissolve oxygen. Look at there, hydrogen atom and oxygen combine, they form water molecule only. So what happens here? Oxidation happen, here reduction is happen. So both reactions takes place. That's reason why iron undergo oxidation only. Iron undergo rusting process. Look at the given very clear equation is there. No, the oxidation half cell is there. No, iron undergo oxidation. How much volts are producing? 0.44 volts are there. Reduction, what happened there? Hydrogen, what are the electrons are produced there? That hydrogen atom is taking. Become water molecule is there. No? So what happened there? Next one is Fe2 plus ion is there. No, this Fe2 plus ion undergo further oxidation. Under further oxidation, Fe2 plus ion become to the Fe3 plus by losing of the 2 electrons only. So what happened there here? In acidic medium, what happened there here? Again Fe2 plus ion in acidic medium loses 2 electrons, loses 1 electron. What happens there? Minus 1 electron, it become to the Fe3 plus. So what happens when it is become to Fe3 plus? This ferrous ion is there, no more stable state is there, no. This Fe3 plus ion react with water, react with oxygen and small amount of the water. They form one type of the rust, nothing but rust. What is the rust formula? Water, they form one rust, that is nothing but a Fe2O3 dot H2O. Fe2O3 dot XH2. This is nothing but regarding the rusting process. Fe2O3 dot XH2. These reactions that takes place. I'm saying once again here, initially iron atom is there. That iron atom loses electrons. Initial iron atom is there. Look at that, get a very clear idea. So what happens there? Just imagine here, iron atom loses 2 electrons. Iron acts as an anode. These 2 electrons are gained by the hydrogen atom. Clear? Hydrogen react with water. The hydrogen react with oxygen. They form a water. Fe2 plus ion is there. Here water is there. How is the look at how H plus ion is coming means either by giving the water molecule or given by the carbon dioxide acid only. So carbonic acid. So what happens here? This reaction will happen. Iron undergo further oxidation. They form Fe3 plus ion. This Fe3 plus ion react with O2 and H2O. They gives as a Fe2O3 XH2. Nothing but rusting of the iron only. Clear? This is nothing but rusting of the iron. Okay. Look at here, Fe2 plus ion react with water plus oxygen plus water. They give Fe2O3. Acidic medium is there. No, they mention very clearly. This is very easy method I mentioned here. Check out clearly.